We normally categorize happiness from things. For example, it's like, there are three major categories if you divide. So, first is happiness in the experiences. Okay. We normally categorize happiness from things. For example, if I want to buy, I wouldn't say car now, maybe a MacBook or a good iPod or maybe headphone for now because now sound system is creating problem. So I think when I get that thing, I will be happy because you're connecting your happiness on those things.
Attached
Correct.
in.
So
We are attached.
basically, most of us, you feel only when I have my own boyfriend, only when I have my own child, only when I have my own job, or only when I have my own business setup, only when I have 1,000 likes, or only when my audience is this big, I will feel wow. Correct.
Right.
You are conditioning ourselves, that way we are conditioning ourselves. But actually, during the process of getting it, it's a process. It's not like you think today you'll get it tomorrow. Everything depends on the budget also. Suppose you have tens of lakhs of rupees, you just think of Apple something and you'll buy it. It's not a big deal for you. But for people who are aiming at it or preparing goal to buy things within the 6 months or 10 months, you have achieved targets. For them, it's a process of saving some extra money or maybe doing it on EMI or something like that. So I'm talking to those people for now. Those are planning to buy certain things and they require certain planning or certain commitment, certain system so that they can buy happily. And there are people I know, they just swipe the cards and forget baad mein dekhenge and they'll go into debts and all those things. There's so many
True.
people like that because they
True.
want to like have instant gratification. अभी सोचा
True.
अभी मिलना चाहिए but you don't know
Hmm.
whether you have that budget to know are everything sorted, is your 6 months planning done. So if you do not do that, in the process you will be worried and tensed. So even if you
Right.
get your MacBook, you will not be happy because you have the burden of paying it off. You have to run
Right.
the house, you have to pay the fees, you have to do the basic. Suddenly, medical expenses come. So, all these things, if they are not taken care of, the best of the thing you got it will not give you happiness.
Right.
Correct?
True.
So, you can't be like just going, I want it, I did it. Many kids nowadays, many young generation are so intensive, they just want to do it now. I want it now. Everything has become 2 minute noodle jaisa. भूख लगी 2 minutes में ही बनना चाहिए but cooking में there is a process. So when we realize or when we understand there is a process to everything and do the things, set your targets as baby goals. What I'm talking about, happiness from the materialistic thing is the first thing. So it will give you happiness if you follow these steps. If you take care about all the needs and all, take care of your budget and all, and plan accordingly, it can give you happiness. Again, no guarantee. Another important thing which I want to make note of everybody is during the process, till you do not have that MacBook, but you're planning, you need to be feeling happy and joyful, and you can visualize I'm having a MacBook already. I'm
Right.
enjoying my work is very fast, everything is processing super fast, the clarity is excellent, my videos are coming very good. So I'm talking in my point of view, maybe anyone who's working from work from home, everybody requires a laptop now. I don't think so.
True.
Anybody who's working does
Absolutely.
not because everything is online. So why do you want a better version? Because it has to be faster, better, and everything. So you can't keep waiting for it. If you keep waiting and you're desperate about it and you worry about it, pata nahi kab, kya and all, you will not enjoy the process. And even if you get the thing, you will not enjoy the thing also.
Hmm.
So important thing, your happiness from experiences, like you need to experience the whole process, getting things, and during the process of till you get it. Next thing, experiences like you have experienced to be with your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your child or eating delicious your favorite food. We just keep on साथ साथ में gulping, watching TV, Netflix or something. You don't even enjoy your own favorite food. You're not experiencing your best things. You're there with your girlfriend, you're there with your spouse, you're not even enjoying and experiencing that. He's on his phone, you are on your phone, and you're wondering, okay, you wanted the best partner. Maybe it's there, but you're not experiencing it. So only when you look into the eyes of your partner, stay and sit with your child and listen to his all the stories, whatever he has, they make no sense to us probably, but it makes a huge sense to them. But if you listen and understand the innocence and understand from where they're coming from, that will
Right.
be happiness. But ये भी सुनना, ये भी करना, ये भी करना. You multiply, you understand multiple tasking is there. But when you're there with your favorite things, child is your favorite, your husband, wife, or maybe a girlfriend, boyfriend. I don't know how many people have husband, wife favorites. But if you have your own partner, if you have your best house and you're not experiencing, if you go out in the garden, you're not experiencing, you will not be happy, even if you're best of everything.
True.
So first thing, find out what are the experiences. We don't seek things. Experiences make us happy. You know, if I have the best BMW out there, but I don't go for a drive, due to COVID, everything is shut down. People are like, I mean, I will not experience the love of the joy of having my BM. So it will be, how are you experiencing it? Are you feeling joyful? Are you really using it? Using as in, the word experiencing is the best word. I can't think of anything else. So like, happiness from the experiences is one category. So whatever you love, it can be simple dal chawal. It could be maybe chicken biryani. I don't know what is your favorite food, but whatever you enjoy, whatever you love, experience it. Have just that, with complete attention, complete wow. What masala, what flavor, what aroma. We have forgotten all that. We're just running away. You're just running for the next, and you're not living in the moment. And experience जो है उसको तो experience कर ही नहीं रहे. We're just running. So calm down, relax, experience whatever you have. When I got this chair, it's very recent. So I was feeling, wow, this is nice. So I was revolving, I was creating, this is so comfortable. I can go there, I can plug in here. And like a child, I was revolving around. So like, it's not the chair I can't look. I wanted to experience it first. I want to feel joy of having it. So if it can be a petty thing, 1 rupee lollipop. Look at the child, how he enjoys.
Right,
And
absolutely.
every time he has this favorite chocolate, he'll enjoy with the same intensity. And we will like,
Right.
"Kal to kha, why are you getting bored?" And we will not let him. Like, a Kali Chopra, look, children are the best people to learn from. Happiness in
Yes.
the now. They live
Yes.
in the now. They feel so great about everything. The things they love, of course. When you tell them study, they'll not be happy about it. But they're very happy. So you need to bring back the child in ourselves, the innocence
Right.
in ourselves, to be really happy and experience it.